Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying where the lag originates, network or device. First, move closer to the router and check signal strength. Weaker than -70 dBm causes packet loss. Once done, close background apps that steal CPU and RAM and switch the Roblox client to portable or restart it. Make sure VPNs and proxies are off for a clean test. They add hops and increase latency. These quick checks separate connection issues from local performance problems, so you know the next steps. Now you'll optimize the network path that games use. Reboot the modem and router and give them 2 minutes to clear caches. This often fixes intermittent lag. Next, enable CoS and set priority for your gaming device or UDP traffic so Roblox packets get precedence. If you're on crowded 4 GHz, change channel to 1, 6, or 11, or move to 5 GHz for lower interference. Make sure to test after each change so you can identify which tweak yielded improvement. Finish by tightening the device side. Update network drivers and the Roblox app, then prefer a wired Ethernet connection for consistent low latency. Once connected, limit other devices streaming or downloading. Bandwidth competition spikes lag. Run a ping and trace route to Roblox server IPs to measure milliseconds and packet loss. Those numbers tell you if the ISP is culprit. If you still see lag, switch to a mobile hotspot briefly. If that fixes it, contact your ISP or replace the router. This isolates and resolves remaining bottlenecks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.